At a glance, alarm monitoring. Open the Alarm Monitor app. The current alarms page is displayed. You can quickly go through required alarm functions by following the walkthrough upon the first login. Now, let's have a look at the current alarms page. Filter alarms by using a template or setting filter criteria. Click an alarm indicator to quickly filter alarms. Enable or disable the alarm sound. The statistics panel helps you quickly understand the overall alarm situation. Open the statistics panel. 4 statistical charts are displayed. In addition, the statistical chart to show alarms in each status can be displayed. Click a bar or slice in a statistical chart to quickly display corresponding alarms, and export them. The selected filter criteria are cleared when the statistics panel is closed. In addition, the following functions are provided on the current alarms page. Automatic alarm data refreshing. Operation bar for multiple alarms including alarm clearance, acknowledgement, and unacknowledgement. Alarm list. And alarm display column setting. Application Scenario 1 Querying specified alarms. There are 2 query methods. Method 1 Set filter criteria. Expand the filter panel. Set filter criteria. More filter criteria are available here. Save the filter criteria as a template. Set the alarm source to query alarms reported by an alarm source. Click OK. Method 2 Use an existing template. Click Template Management, add the template that you frequently use to your favorites. And click it to quickly filter alarms. The following shows the filter settings of the current template. You can directly modify the filter criteria, for example, modify the query time. After the modification is complete, start the query. Application Scenario 2 Viewing and handling alarms. View alarm details. Portal 1 Expand an alarm row. Click here to switch to alarm reference of the alarm. You can also view the root alarm or correlative alarms of the alarm. Portal 2, click an alarm name. Select multiple alarms. Method 1, hold down the left mouse button and drag the pointer to select alarms. Method 2, hold down Shift and the left mouse button to select multiple consecutive alarms. Method 3, hold down Control and left-click alarms to select multiple inconsecutive alarms. Selected alarms can be displayed separately. To quickly copy alarm data, press Ctrl and C to copy the selected alarms and press Ctrl and V to paste it to a local Excel file. Handle alarms. For example, acknowledge an alarm. Exit from the filtering of the selected alarms. In the operation column, the operations that can be performed on the current alarm are provided, such as acknowledging the alarm, setting alarm rules, locating the alarm in the topology, and locating the alarm on the NCE panel. Showing the floating menu. To show the floating menu, hide the operation column. The alarm operations contained in the floating menu are the same as those provided in the operation column. Application Scenario 3, Setting Alarm Rules. Alarm Monitor provides multiple alarm compression rules. Masking rules. You can set masking rules to mask alarms that you do not need to be concerned about. Intermittent or toggling rules. You can set intermittent or toggling rules to mask alarms that last for a short time or are generated frequently. Aggregation rules. You can set aggregation rules to aggregate the repeated alarms reported within the specified period into one alarm. After the rules take effect, you can set filter criteria to filter aggregated alarms. Correlation rules. You can set correlation rules to determine the root alarms and correlative alarms so that correlative alarms can be filtered out and you can focus only on root alarms when monitoring or viewing alarms. After the rules take effect, you can set filter criteria to filter out correlative alarms and view only root alarms. Northbound filtering rules. You can set northbound filtering rules to determine whether to report alarms that meet the conditions to the upper layer NMS. Here, you can set whether to report alarms that do not meet any northbound filtering rules to the upper layer NMS. Alarm Monitor also provides many other rules for you to better monitor alarms. For details, see Help.